A Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist certification proves your skills on a particular Microsoft technology such as Windows operating system, Microsoft Exchange Server, Microsoft SQL Server or Microsoft Visual Studio. MCTS certification courses are no longer helps you master all the aspects of development using Microsoft Visual Studio and the .NET framework. Learn everything from the basis of programming to the specific skills and expertise required to earn your Microsoft MCTS, MCPD and the MCSD certifications. Microsoft Visual Studio allows you to develop high quality solutions that maximize the strategic value of the software investments of the company that employs you. St. Angelo's Professional Education trains you for appearing for international certification exams held by Microsoft. Once you pass these exams, your name appears in the database of the certifying company, thus establishing you as an expert in that technology. IT employers prefer hiring professionals with such certifications. Also, certified professionals enjoy better salaries and career prospects, which is a 3-month course with a 1 month of internship. The eligibility criteria for this course is any candidate interested in making a career on the .NET platform, requires basic knowledge in programming languages, and who is interested in appearing for global IT certification exams.
The reason I chose St. Angelo's is because it provides great future, and St. Angelo's is a very good name across all over Mumbai. So why not join there?
I am here in St. Angelo's because my friends recommended, and this is great, this is awesome because it is giving us a great education according to the market scenario.
I love studying in here, the atmosphere is amazing and the faculties are too good.
The reason I chose this institution is because the faculty is very great over here. I have been doing my programming for last 2 years, and trust me, the faculty doesn't let me just do the assignments but also lets me broaden my search by doing the things outside the assignments. Like if I happen to do some project, they don't say, why have you done this thing? They allow me, they say, okay fine, get your queries, get your problems to me, and they help me through it a lot. That's the reason St. Angelo rocks.
I prefer St. Angelo's because the faculty here is very good and the environment is really student friendly.
The best thing over here is proper problem solving, and the faculty over here is very good.
Faculties are pretty informative and cooperative for each and everything.
Since 1993, we have trained more than 3 lakh students in various academic courses. St. Angelo's is committed to provide quality and industry-oriented training. We have advanced computer training lab, which enables us to deliver training on the latest software versions. Our unique facilities are lifetime practicals and course upgradations. This facility helps the student to upgrade technical skill even after completing the course with St. Angelo's Professional Education. St. Angelo's has an in-house research and development team which keeps on evolving new ways of learning and teaching. As well as it constantly creates new projects for students, giving them industry-oriented exposures.